Welcome back to Coin Explorer, the ultimate destination for coin lovers and history buffs. Today, we have something truly fascinating from the world of numismatics, the Sri Lankan 2 rupees coin from the year 1993. At first glance, it might seem like just another coin, but trust me, it holds a lot more than just monetary value. From its unique design elements to the rich cultural symbolism it carries, this coin has a story to tell. So if you're passionate about discovering hidden details in old coins and love learning about different countries through their currency, this video is for you. Stay tuned till the very end. We're diving deep into this intriguing piece from Sri Lanka. Historical context of the coin. Let's rewind the clock back to 1993, a year that marked both political and economic shifts in Sri Lanka. This 2 rupees coin was issued during a time when Sri Lanka was modernizing its economy but still clinging to its deep-rooted traditions. Coins like this were not only used in everyday transactions but were also silent carriers of national identity. In 1993, Sri Lanka was also updating its coinage to reflect modern values while preserving cultural heritage. The issuance of this coin is part of a broader effort to make currency more durable, accessible, and representative of the country's pride and sovereignty. Design and symbolism. Obverse side. On the obverse side of the coin, you'll notice something truly powerful, the official emblem of Sri Lanka. At the center is the lion holding a sword, a symbol that represents bravery, power, and the Sinhalese heritage. Surrounding the lion are traditional Sinhalese design motifs, and above it sits a stylized Dharma chakra, the wheel of law, signifying justice and governance. This side of the coin is more than art. It's a compact version of the nation's identity and values. Even the smallest details in the design reflect centuries of cultural evolution and national pride. Design and symbolism. Reverse side. Now flip the coin to the reverse side. This is where we find the denomination, 2 rupees, boldly inscribed in the center. But what's fascinating is that the denomination is written in not just 1 or 2, but 3 languages, Sinhala, Tamil, and English. This reflects the multilingual and multicultural nature of Sri Lanka. Around the edge, you'll see Sri Lanka written in English, and the year of issue, 1993, is clearly visible at the bottom. This multilingual representation makes the coin accessible to all citizens and stands as a token of unity in diversity. Material and size specifications. Let's talk physical specs. This coin is made from stainless steel, which was a practical choice by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. Why stainless steel? Because it's corrosion-resistant and offers excellent durability for circulation coins. The coin weighs about 6.1 grams and has a diameter of 26.4 millimeters. The round shape with smooth edges makes it easy to handle. These specifications not only ensured long life for the coin in circulation, but also gave it a modern appearance compared to older nickel or bronze coins. Rarity and circulation. Although this coin was produced for mass circulation, finding a 1993 2 rupees coin in pristine, uncirculated condition is quite rare today. Most of these coins have wear and tear due to daily use. Collectors often look for coins with minimal scratches and strong visible details on both sides. While not extremely rare, this specific coin year has gained some popularity among numismatists who focus on South Asian currencies. It's a great addition to any beginner or mid-level collection, especially when paired with coins from different years for comparative study. Cultural relevance. This coin also carries cultural weight. The trilingual inscription highlights Sri Lanka's ethnic diversity. Sinhalese, Tamils, and Muslims all share the same space, reflected through their languages on this very coin. Coins like these go beyond commerce. They are instruments of social unity. Holding such a coin is like holding a miniature peace treaty. It reminds us of the nation's ongoing journey toward harmony, despite its complex socio-political background. Security features and minting quality. Even though coins are less targeted for counterfeiting than paper currency, the 2 rupees coin includes subtle design features to prevent forgery. The fine lines within the large numeral 2 are difficult to replicate accurately. The high-relief minting also adds a tactile feel that's hard to fake. Sri Lanka's minting process has always emphasized quality, and this coin is a perfect example of detailed craftsmanship. Its minting precision speaks volumes about the standards followed during that period. Comparison with modern coins. If you compare the 1993 2 rupees coin with modern-day coins from Sri Lanka, you'll notice several changes. Modern coins are often smaller, lighter, and may feature updated fonts or simplified symbols. However, many modern designs lack the historical richness and symbolic depth that coins like this possess. That's what makes the 1993 version so special. It stands as a bridge between traditional symbolism and modern economic realities. It's a perfect snapshot of an era when coins were still full of character. From a collector's point of view, this coin is an underrated gem. It's not about its market price, which is generally modest, but about its story, symbolism, and place in Sri Lanka's numismatic history. If you're just starting your coin collection, this is a fantastic piece to begin with. And if you already have a collection, this coin will add a layer of cultural depth to it. Whether you're collecting for value or for history, the 1993 Sri Lanka 2 rupees coin is definitely worth your attention. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 1993 Sri Lanka 2 rupees coin. I hope you enjoyed learning about its history, design, and cultural significance as much as I enjoyed presenting it. If you want to explore more amazing coins from around the world, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is Coin Explorer, where every coin has a story to tell. Drop a comment and let me know what coin you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching.